The Targus Thunderbolt 5 dock is here, folks, and we got to see it at CES 2026 live in the flesh. It exists. So here it is. It's got one Thunderbolt 5 port on the front, 2 on the back, and then an upstream port. So 4 total Thunderbolt 5 ports. It's got 4 USB-A ports that are each 10 gigabit ports, right? And it's got 2.5 gig Ethernet on the back and audio out on the front. Yep. Fun stuff. This is really, really well done and solid piece of gear. So four Thunderbolt 5 ports, 1 for upstream to the host, and then 3 for hubbing to other devices and doing what it does. $399.99, and it's available now from Targus and probably elsewhere. So go check it out. And thanks for watching. Make sure you check out the playlist for all of our other Mac Geek Gab CES 2026 coverage. And yeah, stay subscribed. We're filtering through the stuff so you don't have to. And our thanks to our coverage sponsors for making all of this possible, because without them, we couldn't do this. And that's good for all of us. So make sure to check them out too. And yeah, our thanks to you